Hi everyone and welcome. So in this video we will see how you can install the Armbian Imager in your Windows operating system. So just like the Raspberry Pi Imager, there is Armbian Imager to flash your single board computer with the Armbian operating system. Okay, you can download this Armbian Imager from their GitHub repository. So here is the GitHub repository link. Okay, I will provide this link in the description of this video. Now you can scroll down and here you can see download section, and if you have the Mac operating system then you can go for this one. If you have Windows and if you have Linux then you have this three option. I have my Windows operating system, so that's why I'll go with the Windows. And there is two option .exe .msi. So here you can see Armbian Imager version 1.2.7, and we will click on this show all 23 asset, and we will search .exe, and here you can see Armbian Imager arm64.exe and Armbian Imager x64.exe. so here I have already downloaded this x64.exe on my desktop. Okay, so if you are running with the Windows operating system then you can go for either of this, or you can go for this MSI option, but I'm going with the .exe option. Now once you download, you have to double click here to install it. Now click on the next. I'm going to change my drive to D drive. Okay, and then next, and here you can see completed. Now you can click on next. I am not going to create the desktop shortcut, so that's why I will uncheck this, and we will run the Armbian Imager now. And here you can see the Armbian Imager is successfully installed in our Windows operating system. Now using this Armbian Imager, the benefit is you can flash multiple single board computer. Okay, here you can see choose brand. So here we have a lot of single board computer brand for which the operating system of Armbian is available. So here you can see Friendly Elect single board computer, Redexa, okay, and then Banana Pi, Libre Computer, Odroid, Orange Pi, BeagleBoard. So there are n number of operating system available for n number of single board computer. So if you have ARMSOM single board computer, then you can select ARMSOM, and then you can go for any of the single board computer which you have available. I have the ARMSOM Forge 1, so we will flash the Armbian operating system for the Forge 1 in the upcoming videos. I have also CM5 IO available, so we will do that as well, and for Siege 1 also we will do that. And if you want to change the manufacturer, click on the manufacturer and then you can search for the manufacturer. So suppose if you want to go for Orange Pi, okay, here you can see Orange Pi, and they have 36 board available for which Armbian operating system is available in this imager. So I have Orange Pi 3, sorry, Orange Pi 03. Yeah, I have this Orange Pi 03. Also I have Orange Pi 02W as well as Orange Pi 4A. So for 4A also the Armbian operating system is available. 02W also the Armbian operating system is available. And then let's check for RV2. So RV2 it's not available. Okay, so for most of the single board computer from any manufacturer, the Armbian operating system is available in this Armbian Imager. If you want to go for the Banana Pi, then here you can search Banana Pi in the manufacturer, and they have operating system available for 20 board, and here you can see those board. Okay, Banana Pi, CM4 IO, and then M20. Okay, I have Banana Pi M4 Berry as well as M40. So we will see the complete guide for this M40 and M4 Berry in the future videos, that how you can use Armbian Imager to successfully flash the operating system for your M40 as well as M4 Berry. Okay, so we have successfully selected BPI M40, okay, Banana Pi M40 single board computer. Now we can choose the operating system. So here you can see n number of operating system is available. You can download the operating system, and here you can see it's a desktop version or it's a CLI version. Okay, and if you want to go with the CLI version, then you can download and flash this operating system. If you want to go for desktop operating system, then you can choose the XFCE environment. Okay, after selecting the operating system, you can choose the storage and then you can flash it. So we will see complete guide in the future videos. Now in this video, I hope it's clear that how you can install the Armbian Imager in your Windows operating system. Now let's meet in the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.